the Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching, Motivation and Mindset for Leadership, Issue and Session 28, The Planet of Possibility. Self-leadership is the missing link between self-discipline and self-management. It's the missing skill in the wheel of personal development. Just doing what others do and following the specific goals of a personal agenda are very different skill sets. Figure out the way forward by figuring out what is helpful and what is harmful to you and your future. Work out what a good life entails and employ those qualities to work for you in your life. The ability to pinpoint and yet escape from frustrations is one of life's key skills. The simulated and counterfeit realities are all too real. They are projections of limited abilities. The limitation simply leads to a suboptimal life experience caused by not believing in yourself. The wrong diagnosis or analysis is another mistake that will throw your ship off course. Over time, motion can become meaningless without the right direction. Think first. Never trade fulfillment for amusement. We all need to detox from the instant gratification that the world attempts to stimulate us with. Meditation is for life, not just for 10 minutes in the morning or evening. Elevate your thought processes. Seeking the wrong kinds of stimulation only leads to destruction and distraction. There will always be a need for a focus on personal intention rather than social powerlessness. Remember the principles. 1. Reduction distracts from the endless complexity of the personality. 2. Learning draws your focus back to your actions and their goals. 3. Relevance and irrelevance dictate the direction of interactions. 4. Self-discipline requires that you do not do only the things that you want to do. 5. Self-awareness requires movement in the zones of potential, responsibility, and choice. 6. The believers and the skeptical suffer the same kinds of hardships. Exercise for health. Read for meaning. Teach to be taught. Even though we progress, life presents us with consistently similar issues. Deep conversation remains one of the most complicated skills that anybody will ever master. This is a different kind of medicine. The human soul learns for connection. The heart itself seeks selection. The preordained belief rallies against the ability of self-correction. Your own destiny competes with your fears and your vision of how painful life may become. Self-actualization is not about overcoming all resistance. It is about being both satisfied and unsatisfied at the same time. Everybody can potentially sap and sabotage their life. Resistance can be dialed down and turned up. It can be lessened and increased as is necessary. It's a mind step in a mind game. It's a framework, and it's a frame. You can't convince people who don't want to be convinced without a tectonic shift. Yet, under the surface, we all have something to prove and improve. We reap what we sow. The crops need to be harvested. Farmers need to be able to focus on their farming. Few things take care of themselves. This is Motivation and Mindset for Leadership. If you are interested in an online lifestyle consultation, then please contact the Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching. Wherever you are, I wish you a fantastic day.